I believe I asked for a large. What is this? Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell right next to it so you get all the alerts on what we're doing, okay? Alright, so today we're going to be making an epic bomb pop slushy drink, okay? This is my Wednesday quickie cocktail for the week. And being that it's 4th of July, I wanted to do the red, white, and blue, so I'm gonna make a big old bomb pop that you saw at the beginning. Stick around, we're gonna get building this little drink. And when I say little, I mean really big, and it's all for me, so it's gonna be a good time. All right, come on. All right, guys, here's the ingredients for this bomb pop. We got a little blueberry Red Bull, blue curacao, some red, white, and berry Smirnoff. Got some Rosie's grenadine, some watermelon Smirnoff, and some fresh watermelon. Then we got some Malibu for the white layer. And of course we got ice and a blender and a pitcher. All right guys, so as you know, a bomb pop comes in layers on the popsicle. Starts with blue, white, and red, or red, white, and blue. All right, so we're gonna work on the blue layer first. I got my handy dandy cup, my size cup, my epic cup. Of course it has my USC on there, fight on. And let's get this thing started. So we're gonna start with the blue layer. So let's start with a couple shots of this red, white, and berry. This stuff smells good. It's gonna be dangerous. So of course I already got a few ice cubes in there. All right, a little dribbly, don't hurt anything. Let's make this thing blue. I'm telling you, that's not a natural color. All right, one more. All right, that's good. All right, and you need to rinse this out between each blending. All right. Of course, we got some blueberry Red Bull. I love me some Red Bull, so it's damn near purple. Oh well. Oh, I feel like I got wings already. All right, guys, let's get this thing going. So let's go write the smoothie. All right, we got the blue layer done. Ooh, that looks pretty. All right, now we do the white layer. We're gonna make it nice and chunky and thick, because the colors are gonna bleed. So you gotta make sure you get a nice, strong, thick layer. On a little bit. All right. Looks good. All right, let's get this red layer done. All right. So we got our watermelon vodka. Right. Throw some fresh watermelon in. You know that tastes good. Get that juice in there. Oh yeah. All right, then get a little Rosie's grenadine. Gonna be good to go. Let's make this drink. So I'm trying to spoon it on so it doesn't bleed through to the white, but I have a feeling it's going to, so don't matter, it's still gonna taste good. There's only one thing left to do. Alright guys, we're done with this bomb pop thing. As you can see, you gotta be careful, it's bleeding through. Each the red and the blue are bleeding through to the white. Did the best I could. Still looks pretty damn good to me. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for drinking with CJ. Take care now.